Hey guys, it's me, Caitland. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. So if you're curious about what I got in this month's Boxycharm for October, keep on watching. So if you guys don't know about what Boxycharm is, they are a monthly subscription box that I get every month. I pay $21 and they are all full-size products. So, you know, some people get the Ipsy Glam bag, Birchbox. Those are usually all sample sizes. I like Boxycharm. You pay a little bit more, but you get a lot more product and the value is usually huge. I went ahead and opened up my box to see a little bit about what was inside so I could plan out this video for you guys. And I have on a clean face right now because the first item I'm going to try out is a mask. I'm really curious about this mask. It's called the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Let's see. Every Boxycharm comes with a little card here and it explains all the products. So let's see what it says about the mask. It says the Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask is a detoxifying mask that offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin and helps to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. I'm really excited to try this. I love trying out new masks, so let's go ahead and try this sucker out. I'm gonna pull my hair up, get it out of my face. This product retails for $30, so the mask alone is worth more than the entire box, which is really exciting. Let's see what's in here. So it comes with a little tube of the product. Mine's a little dirty because I actually opened this up and started to put it on camera and realized I wasn't recording. So we're gonna try it again. I only had it on for about 2 minutes before I realized. There's also these little lace pieces that are gonna go on over top. So let's try this sucker out. Step 1, cleanse and dry your face. Already done, nice and clean. Step 2, apply an even layer of the peel paste to targeted areas. Avoid the eye area, the brows, the hairline, and the lips. So we're gonna unscrew our little tube here. And I'm gonna put this really only in like my T-zone. That's the area where I have problems with pores. This seems like it's meant to help clear out any gunk in the pores and have an extraction-like effect, it said, which is interesting. I'm hoping it's going to be one of those really satisfying ones to peel off. This mask has a very strong, like alcohol kind of smell to it. If you're sensitive to that, this is not going to be the mask for you because it's strong. I'm guessing that's why you're avoiding the eye area, because this is already making my eyes water and I am not up near my eyes right now. Okay, I have the paste applied everywhere that I want it. Let's see what the next step is. Line up the holes with the eyes, nose, mouth, and press the lace mask to the areas where the peel paste is applied. So, let's unfold this lace and see what it's like. Oh yeah, this is lovely. So I'm gonna line up my eyes here and hook the little ear straps back. And then there's a chin strap, and I'm gonna strap my chin in. Oh wow, guys, this is sexual. And then it said to press in the lace where the mask is applied. I don't know, I don't see this lace having any kind of real benefit other than just gently, you know, holding the product close to the skin. But other than that, I think it's just fun, aesthetically cute. Take a little Instagram photo wearing this. Let's see how long it wants us to leave it on. All right, it says wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes until dry. And then we're gonna peel it off and see what happens. Let me start a little timer here. The scent of this mask is so strong, it's literally making my nose run right now. So that could be problematic for some people who are sensitive to smell. While I have this on, I'm going to talk about a product that I'm not going to use today because it's not really part of a makeup look. This is the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away Cleansing Balm, and it says it's made exclusively for Boxycharm. This does retail for $22, so once again, It's actually even worth more than the box itself. And I have used Farmacy products before by this brand, and I really, really have enjoyed them. So I'm pretty excited about this. We got a mask from them before that I absolutely loved, so I'll try that out, and I'll let you guys know in the description box what I thought of the cleansing balm, because I'm not going to use it in this video. I'm going to be putting makeup on, not taking makeup off. Alright guys, it's been about 15 minutes. It's time to peel the sucker off. Let's see what happens when we pull this guy off. Oh yeah, it's like sticking to the lace, so I guess that's part of it, is that's part of the peel off effect, just having it stuck to that lace. It's not painful really, so that's good. It's not a horrible peel off experience. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a little view of it ripping out of my skin. Oh, there's my timer. Ooh, okay, so here's some of the loveliness that came out of my skin. My skin does look a little red, but I wouldn't say it's super irritated. So I would say that this could be safe if your skin is somewhat sensitive, but if it's super sensitive, I never really would recommend a peel off mask. They're kind of harsh, and especially with the strong smell of this one, I wouldn't risk it if you really think you have super sensitive skin. But it didn't make me too red, and my pores look a little better, and I definitely see some stuff that came off on the mask itself, so I'd say that this is a win for me. I enjoyed it, and it's fun, it's great, it's silly looking, so why not try it out? Alright guys, I'm gonna go rinse off the rest of this residue. I'm gonna put on my base, and I will be back to show you guys the rest of the makeup that's in the box. See you in a sec. I'm back with my base on, my foundation, concealer, powder. My eyebrows are on, and I basically followed the exact routine I did in my last video, my brow tutorial, so I'll link that down below if you want to see how I got my brows this way. But let's move on to the next item in the Boxycharm. I'm very excited about this one. This is a palette by Pure Cosmetics, and it's called the Midnight Masquerade palette. If I can get it out ever. Okay. That was difficult. So this is the palette out of the box, and inside she looks like this. Looks like we have a couple of blushes over here, a pinkier one and a purplier one, and then a couple of highlights, a lighter and a darker one, which is nice. It looks like this would work for a couple of different skin tones. And then the other side is a bunch of eyeshadows and a little mirror, which is nice that you get a mirror in there. It retails for $38, so once again, that's over twice the price of the whole box. Really great deal. Let's go ahead and try out some of the stuff on the face. I already put my bronzer on, so we're gonna try one of these blushes and highlights. Both of these blushes, there's like a pinkier one and a purplier one. Not normally the tone that I go to. I'm more of a nude blush, a peach blush kind of girl, but we're gonna try it out. I think I will dip into the pinkier one here. It's called Hidden Secret. And let's see how it looks. I'm using a pretty light hand because I am kind of afraid of pink blush. Yeah, that's very pink, but it doesn't look bad. Pigmentation is nice. It has kind of a chocolatey smell. So there's the blush on. I think it looks okay. It's not necessarily the color that I would usually lean toward, but if you do like pinkier blushes, this is a nice formula. It went on fine. I'll have to try out that purple one another time. Definitely looks a little more suitable for a darker skin tone, but it could be fun. Next, I'm going to try the highlight that's in here. I'm going to go for the lighter one. This one I think would be a little too dark for my skin. So this lighter highlight is called Twilight. Just going to dip my brush in. And let's see here. I wouldn't call it blinding necessarily. It's not super bright. But it's a nice effect. It's a little chalkier than some that I use, but definitely not unusable or unwearable. Let's put a little on the nose, a little on the Cupid's bow. On camera, I think it looks nice. It gives a nice shine. It's not insanely bright or blinding, but it looks nice. Okay, let's see what we can do with the eyeshadow colors in this palette. I did notice as I was looking closer, there's really only one matte shade in this whole palette. So this is probably the kind of palette where you're gonna have to pair it with other palettes that you have. Right now, I'm just going to have to find something to use as a transition shade. There's nothing in here really I could use for that. I'm gonna go ahead and use my bronzer since it's right here that I put on my face. So the one matte that is in this palette is a dark brown called Sneak Peek. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this on the outer corner of my eye and darken that up. So this brown is pigmented, it's blending out well. Nothing bad to say about the matte shade. Yeah, I like it. The rest of the colors in the palette are shimmer shades, so I could really take any of these across the lid. I have to try this purple disguise. Purple's my favorite color, and also purples are kind of hard to formulate, so I'm curious how they did with this one. I'm just gonna take a flat shader brush, dip into this purple, and let's see what happens. Okay, it's going on. A little bit of fallout for sure. That's pretty common with a shimmer. So maybe I would do my eyes first if I was going to use this palette. But it looks nice. I am starting to struggle a little more with blending this. Every time I go into blend, I feel like the powder kind of fluffs away a little bit. So it's hard to keep my pigmentation and have it blend out. Okay, I did my best to blend out that purple and still pack on some pigmentation. I'm just gonna take the only matte shade I have, that matte dark brown, and run it underneath my lash line really quick. Definitely preferring the way that the mattes perform in this over the way that that shimmer did. Now I'm gonna go in with one of the highlights. I'm just curious about the darker one, and since I can't use it on the rest of my face, I'm gonna try it in my inner corner right now. Let's see. I like that shade, it's really pretty. It's kind of like a dark peachy shade. This is the eyeshadow look I created with the palette. Can't say it's my favorite I've ever made. Can't say it's a palette I'll reach for a lot just because the lack of matte shades in here, the shimmer's not performing perfectly, and the blush is not really being the tones that I usually go for. So this palette might work for some people. I'll probably end up gifting it to a friend. Not the biggest hit for me. Next item in the box is a product from It Cosmetics, which is a brand I really love, and this is their Superhero Mascara. I'm so excited to try it. I love trying new mascaras out. Let's open her up. Here's what she looks like. She's cute. Let's see what the card says about this mascara. It says, Superhero Elastic Strength Volumizing Mascara. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. And this mascara retails for $24. Once again, really great value. Let's pop this guy on my lashes and see what happens. I'm nervous. I'm kind of picky about mascara. I only like certain formulations. I really don't like clumpy mascara, so let's see what we think about this guy. Ooh, I think I like her. First impression on the top lashes alone, I love this mascara. It is volumizing and lengthening like it said. It's super black like it claimed to be. I think I might be in love. Let's see how it does on the lower lashes. Y'all know I hate this part, but pray for me. It's official, I love this mascara. It got a little clumpier on the bottom lashes, but really overall, I absolutely adore this. I will be reaching for this. This is amazing. My favorite product from the box so far, for sure. There's only one last product to try out today, and it is the Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick, and I got mine in the shade Lovesick. This is a liquid lipstick that I have definitely used before. I haven't used this shade, but I have used this formula in many other shades, and I love this formula. It's by far one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. I have a feeling I'm gonna love this. Let's see, the color I got is kind of this mauvey pinky color. Let's take her out and try her on. This retails for $22. It claims that it's smooth, creamy, and lightweight. It's vegan and cruelty-free, which I love. All Kat Von D products are. And it says it's going to give your lips moisture and comfort that they deserve. I'm not sure I agree about that part. I do find this to be a pretty drying formula. It dries down very matte, so you might want to put a lip balm on underneath this one. Ooh, that's pretty. And here's the shade Lovesick on my lips. It went on really well. Not necessarily a color I would always gravitate toward. It's a little more cool tone. I tend to go for warmer tones, but sometimes I do a cool tone look. And this is pretty. This is nice. It's a nice little pink. And that is everything in this month's box, you guys. I did a little math, and the total for everything in my box, the total value was $134. So for a $21 box, I find that to be an amazing deal. There were a few hits and misses in this box. Really loved the mascara, as you guys saw. I really enjoyed that mask. It was fun, and I feel like it was pretty effective. The lip color, I will probably end up using again, and like I said, I love this formula. The palette was kind of a miss for me, just not a lot of shades that I'm going to use. Not a perfect formulation, but overall, I'm really excited about this box. Can't wait to try that Melt Away Balm by Farmacy, and I'll let you guys know how much I like that one. But thank you guys so much for being here. I'll link Boxycharm down below if you're interested in checking them out. I really appreciate when you guys are watching these videos. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you want to know how to support me, there's a couple things you can do. You can hit the like button and give me a thumbs up for this video. Please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. And of course, you can hit the notification bell so you guys know when I post videos. Thank you so much for watching with me today. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!